Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce Lightning. Where we have learned how to restrict to create duplicate record, usage of matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce. So first we created matching rule and that matching rule called into the duplicate rule in the Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create custom profile and user in Salesforce. So follow this step to create custom profile and user in Salesforce. First, go to the setup page of the Salesforce. Then search profile into quick find search box. Here we will be creating new custom profile and user associated with custom profile in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of the Salesforce where I created profile. So in the quick find search box, write profile and click on the profile. There is a button new to create a new profile. And for the creating user, in the quick find search box, search user and here is a button to create a new user. So before jump to my Salesforce screen, let me explain more about profile and user. So friends, before jump to my Salesforce org, let me explain about the profile and user. So what is the profile and user in the Salesforce? So there are two type of profile in Salesforce, standard profile and custom profile. So what is the role of the profile in the Salesforce? Say a profile is a collection of the permission and setting. It can define what user can do. It can handle many type of permission such as a standard and custom object permission, type setting permission, app setting permission, page layout, record type, Apex class, and login hour, etc. So there are two type of profile in Salesforce, a standard and custom profile. So a standard profile, we cannot delete the standard profile because it is provided by the Salesforce. System administration, custom sales profile, custom marketing profile, custom support profile. These are the standard profile in Salesforce. Custom profile, we can create and delete the custom profile because it's created by the user. If there are no user assigned in the custom profile, we can delete it. User user always associated with the profile. A one user associated with only one profile. It is a mandatory for all the users. So if you creating a user, first you select the license, then accordingly to the license, your profile will be visible. So first you need to select the profile and there is a role. So role is optional. If you working on the record level security, then only select the role. So role is optional, but profile is a mandatory for all of the user. So without select a profile, we cannot create a user. So let me jump to my Salesforce credential org where we will be see live demo example how to create a profile and how to create a user and how to give permission of object, type setting, page layout, record type, Apex class setting from profile. So let's get a start and jump to my Salesforce credential org. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup, click here. In the quick find search box, search profile. Click on the profile. There is a button new profile. Click here. Existing profile. These are the existing profile that is created by the Salesforce. User license, cloud, user license, analytic, cloud, integration user. And this is a profile name. So here you will be write your custom profile name. So I am writing the name of the profile, custom profile. Custom profile and save. I created name of the custom profile and These are the profile level permission set. So these are the page layout. These are the custom object layout, field level security, custom field level security, custom app setting, service provider access, type setting. These are the standard type setting, custom type setting, record type setting, administrative permissions, standard object permission, general user permissions, custom object permission, session setting, password and policies. And here also you can define login hour and login IP range, enable Apex class, enable external data. So here you can set different type of the permission setting and page layout from the profile. And if you want to create a new user associated with this profile, so click on the view user here and there is a button new user. So if you clicking here form will be open and from here you will be create directly user and that created user will be associated the custom profile because I am creating user from the custom profile user button. You can create new user from directly from here. So search user and there are 4 user already created by Salesforce. If you go to the all, so 4 user, there are 4 user created already by Salesforce. Now I am creating a new user. So there is a button new user, click here and write the first name, last name, email, username, nickname, and there is a role. I am writing the name, first name sales, last name user, and email w3webnet@gmail.com, username dot sales, email name dot sales. This is a unique username. And here you can write the title, company, department. It is optional. Role, select role. So I am selecting here sales, channel sales team, user license, Salesforce, profile. I am selecting custom sales profile. Then active checkbox already active. Then save. Here you can write the name of the street, city, zip code, state, country, and manager name. So it is optional to create a new user and save. So user has been created and the profile is custom sales profile. And here you can see sharing, reset password and freeze. So if you forget your password, click here to change your new password. After create user, go to your Gmail account to activate your Salesforce credential. This is my Gmail account. After create user, you will get an email. Then verify your account. Click on the button. And here asking reset password. Click here and set your new password here. This is security question. So select your security question. And are the answer and change password. So password has been changed successfully and it is redirected to the my Salesforce credential org. Newly created user's profile is custom sales profile. Click here to check profile. Go to the view user. In this profile, there one user associated with this profile. Go back and here you can set the permission and setting like page layout, field level security, custom app setting. In the next lesson, we will be see how to control permission and setting from profile. So profile can give the permission to user, what user can do. So friends, try to do from your side to create a new profile, create a new user, control the permission and setting from profile. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.